Hello guys, welcome back. In today's episode, we will be looking at Ethereum, Omisego and BTC price actions. Before we start, I would like to remind you, if you're enjoying and like the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I would like to draw your attention to the Twitter update. In the last 24 hours, every single steps for the Ethereum, Omisego and BTC I updated one by one. Ethereum having difficulty to close above target 9 after we hit target 9, and 2 more fresh target prices are added. I'm going to go quickly to those updates and I will show on the real chart. After some time, Ethereum quite bullish, followed the target price, risk management reminded. Then Omisego over 21% spot profit. Next update, BTC target 7 hit, follow the next target price, totally new FIB in the game. Next one, BTC target 7 and 8 hit, dollar to dollar, 92 and 60% spot profit. We had 2 entries if you remember. The next one, target 9 hit, moving on towards target 10, moving up stop losses, 100% and 65% stop profit. That was updated 1 hour ago. Ethereum target 10 hit and we're moving on the 11. Another massive 100% spot profit. Managing your risk is advised. If you're not following me via Twitter, you can follow at CryptoMagnate8 so you will receive top and instant updates on a daily basis. Ethereum, as you remember, we had 2 clear zones, 630, 640. As long as we break it and we're good to go. Little bit of consolidation and then parabolic move came, tested this midline of the parallel channel, dollar to dollar as you see, and then another parabolic move. In the last video I said we might be consolidating around here. As you see, over 24 hours we consolidated and next leg up. So literally recently we broke target 10 and we're heading towards target 11, and just now I added target 12, which is not yet updated via Twitter. So as you see, we broke midline, we came back, retested, and we went up. However, as you can see, week to week, wicks couldn't close actually, the body of the candles couldn't close, and we came back, we struggled a bit here, and we went up, came again, retested the support line, the upper channel of this parallel channel, and then we went up. And we don't need this parallel channel anymore. As you see, I just added Fibonacci extension. It matched with some of the support and resistance lines. As you can see, that was a resistance. Now we broke that resistance with this candle, 618 golden zone, and our target 12 literally matched with another level of important level of Fibonacci, 786. And that is around 1350, 1400. I would like to draw your attention on the weekly chart. As you see, we're not really far from to break 2018 all-time high, which is around 1350 and 1400 level. If in the coming hours or days, once we manage to break this zone, and again same as BTC, we will be facing of a blue sky zone. Blue sky zone I explained in my previous videos so many times. If you're not familiar with that, you can go and watch that videos. That also provide you a good educational content. If we manage to break 1400 and close above, then what will happen is I will be bringing magic Fibonacci levels. For now, as you can see, we're nearly 618 golden zone and next important 786 zone. Once we manage, as I said, break and close above 1400, then another levels will be unlocked. Overall, I can say this: 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, daily and as well as weekly is extremely bullish, no sign of any weakness. In the last 2 weeks, since 26th of December, once we broke 630, 640 level, as you can see, we are already above 102% profit. This is spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, you can calculate it for yourself. 5 times already 500, 10 times is more than 1000%. Mind-blowing, massive profit. Let's move on to the Omisego. But before we move on, as you can see, target 11, the lower lines of resistance, 1290, it was rejecting dollar to dollar again. As you can see in this green candle where the entrance zones was provided, I said we're going to get a pullback and then we'll go towards up. In the last 72 hours or so, we are nearly 25% up. So you do the maths again if you're doing 5 times or 10 times leverage. And I also said in the last video that Omisego is quite healthy and strong. There is no signs of weakness. As you see, now Omisego is already provided nearly, as I said, 25% spot profit. Again, I'm reminding you, instant updates will be always via Twitter. Let's move on to the BTC. Before we move on, I would like to show the recent update. 20 minutes ago, we reached all-time high. The next FIB zone unlocked 40k plus. FIB level again played out dollar to dollar. Risk management reminded 105% and 68% spot profit. After we hit 7 old FIB levels, now we have another 3 levels played out dollar to dollar again. If you're not following, I will remind you to follow via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8. If you have a reasonable questions regarding technical analysis or you want to learn technical analysis, 101 mentorship is available. And if you want a consultation, my DM is always open. Let's do some recap. Since I started my YouTube channel, I provided a beautiful 2 entries. One was 19,700, 19,900. So to be fair, we take it from the middle, 19,800. We're already up 105% profit. And you do the math. If you're doing 5 times or 10 times leverage, 500 or 1000% profit. The next update has been given 25th of December. Once we broke, as I said, from the first one, as you remember, we broke 19,800, slightly consolidation, few days. I said, if we manage to break all-time high, 24,000, then we're going to go up. As expected, we went up, little bit of consolidation, and we went up again. Little bit shakeout, and then parabolic move took place. As I showed you earlier on, in the last 48 hours, every single move for the BTC and Ethereum updated on time via Twitter. Every single breakout, I did unlock the new FIB levels. As you can see, since the beginning, we started following these levels. First target hit, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, and seventh. As you can see, dollar to dollar played out every single move, week to week, dollar to dollar. Once we broke out, parabolic move, and now we literally got hit to our new FIB level. And these FIB levels, we don't need them anymore. It's done a brilliant job. As I mentioned in the previous post via Twitter, I ran out of my FIB levels. As soon as we broke 35,000, I added totally new FIB levels. And as you can see, again, week to week, number 1 target hit, number 2, number 3 just hit dollar to dollar, as you can see, with a 40,350 to 46 cents. As you can see, normally after 1, we've got 1.618 golden zone. However, I added 2 magic numbers. Make sure, because we are in a blue sky zone and we do not know when the top is. So I'm trying to play level by level as usual. From here on, as you can see it, we hit dollar to dollar to the FIB level 1.414, and it came literally to, and it tested the first resistance line. Now it became support, nearly week to week rejection. From here on, I would like to advise risk management is highly advised, and do not forget to move stop losses. Do not give back to the market what you have earned in the last 2 to 3 weeks. In the coming hours or days, we will be following the next FIB zones, and if we're going to hit 42,173 and we manage it to close it above, I will be adding next magical FIB levels. If you like and enjoy from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, and I wish you all a profitable trades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.